Instagram message that you fail. Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager and then open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So then you have to search right here for Instagram, click on it and then click here on this force stop as you can see, and then click on the notifications management. Make sure that every notifications option is enabled right here. Go back, click on the permissions, make sure also to enable all the permissions. And now all what you want to do is go to the storage, click on clear cache and clear data, and now turn off your phone and turn it on again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.